Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel GK Study 100%. This video is beneficial for those students who are preparing for government exam like SSC, Railway and any state government exam. Let's start. Question number 1. The topic of cancer does not pass through which of the following state? Option D is the right answer. Question number 2. Who built the famous stupa of Sanchi? Option B is the right answer. Question number 3. Who is the first citizen of India? Option D is the right answer. Question number 4. Who was the first chairman of Planning Commission? Option D is the right answer. Question number 5. In which state did Bharatanatyam originate? Option C is the right answer. Question number 6. 1 horsepower is equal to? Option C is the right answer. Question number 7. Which of the following metals is most ductile? Option A is the right answer. Question number 8. In which state is famous Golconda Fort located? Option B is the right answer. Question number 9. What is the study of birds called? Option B is the right answer. Question number 10. Onam is one of the most important festival of which state? Option C is the right answer. Question number 11. The most abundant element found in Sun's atmosphere is? Option C is the right answer. Question number 12. Which of the following Vedas describe music? Option A is the right answer. Question number 13. Who is the constitutional head of India? Option D is the right answer. Question number 14. Liberalization, privatization and globalization started in which year? Option D is the right answer. Number 15. Unit of momentum is. Option B is the right answer. Question number 16. Light year is unit of. Option B is the right answer. Question number 17. How many electrons are there in the outermost shell of all noble gases except helium? Option D is the right answer. Question number 18. Who is known as father of taxonomy? Option D is the right answer. Question number 19. Which of the following Prime Minister of India also served as RBI Governor? Option C is the right answer. Question number 20. Who was the founder of slave dynasty? Option D is the right answer. If you are watching first time, then like, share and subscribe the channel.